Hi everyone, this is the ZNT Soundbass Plus True Wireless Earphones. As of August 2019, among cheap, no-name China brand true wireless earphones, ZNT is a pretty decent brand. Obviously, you can't expect AirPods or Sony levels of quality as these cost 1/4 cheaper than those. Here are the basic specs: battery size, Bluetooth 5.0, and talk time. The first thing you see upon opening the box is the user manual, then a piece of foam under it, and then the earbuds charging case below. It comes with micro USB and 2 extra pairs of ear tips. I'm disappointed that it's micro USB and not USB-C since it's 2019, but oh well. I did get it at a good price, slightly cheaper than the list price of 2,199 Philippine pesos or $43 in Lazada because of some credit card promo discount. The last accessory it comes with is a female USB-A, male micro B USB on-the-go adapter. Why, you ask? Because the charging case can double as a power bank for your phone or other USB power devices in a pinch. Look at that, it's charging. It can do that because the charging case has a massive 3000 mAh battery. Well, massive for true wireless earbuds of this type. You can feel the case's heft compared to my previous red pair that you saw on screen, that I compared its weight to. The weight of this case is more typical of normal wireless earbuds. The earbuds themselves have this nice Tron-like light when in use. The case is very smooth and easy to open. You don't need to stick your nails inside the recessed part of the lid to pry it open, unlike my previous pair. Pairing is quick and drama-free. Whew, I always get tense whenever I have to first pair some Bluetooth audio devices because crap often goes wrong. Reconnecting is also smooth and fast. Tried it a bunch of times over the past 5 days. The controls are via touch, not a hardware button that you depress. Handy since you'll be using them while they're in your ear like hearing aids. It can do basic controls like pausing when touched once and playing when touched again. It can also skip tracks or go back to a previous track. What I like is that it can also do volume controls when double-clicked. Many of these budget true wireless earbuds don't have volume controls. You can hear sound out of both ears when you take calls. Some of these cheap true wireless earbuds only take calls out of one ear, like the QCY T1 Pro I reviewed a year ago. This is a feature I look for. This is Bluetooth 5.0. That means better stability in connection and less lag. When I watch videos on YouTube with it, there's no lag at all with audio and the people talking on screen. I have another Bluetooth 5.0 true wireless pair, the red one I compared the ZNT 1.2 on the weighing scale earlier. Well, that one is a pretty stable connection even if your phone is inside a bag. There's still a barely imperceptible lag in the audio when watching videos. For those curious, the red pair does not really have a name. I bought it on Lazada as TWS8. TWS is what these off-brand China earphones call this kind of true wireless earphones. The acronym stands for True Wireless Sound. It's just a super cheap one that I bought November 2018 for a little over 1,000 pesos. That's a little over $22. That's really cheap. Half of the price of this current pair of ZNT Soundbass Plus. For those with good memories, you may recall I made a review of a different ZNT pair during August 2018. I lost that one of the two buds barely 2 months after making that review. The problem with that one is that while it was very good, stable, calls out of 2 ears instead of just one, the part that rests against your ear is kind of bulbous, convex, and it can dislodge if you're up and about. I lost it while traveling. The remaining earpiece still works, but I don't want to listen to music with just one ear. I got the super cheap red TWS8 as a super cheap stopgap in the meantime, but its battery life is somewhat lacking. So I jumped at this ZNT Soundbass Plus when I saw Lazada at a promo and listed it at a good price. The audio quality is alright, nothing to write home about, but you don't get true wireless earbuds of this price point for its great audio quality. You buy Sony WF-1000X M3s or AirPods for that good quality sound out of wireless earphones, or better, go wired. You can get great audio quality for much less with wired earphones. It's for convenience and cheapness. You do get clear enough audio for calls out of 2 ears, okay sounding music, great battery life, stable connection, no lag when playing videos, and a novelty emergency power bank feature. It also pairs quickly and reconnects smoothly with no drama, which is something other cheap true wireless earbuds have problems with. The part above the ear tips seem less bulbous, convex, compared to my 2018 ZNT pair of which I lost one earpiece. Crossing my fingers that I don't lose one ear this time. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumb it up, subscribe, and click the bell icon beside subscribe to be updated when I upload again. See you next video.